Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from exercise 8.3. In this exercise we will discuss about different type of question. Okay, suppose you have two type of decimal number and these two type of decimal number, which decimal number is greater? So how we will discuss which decimal number is greater? For this type of question we will compare between before decimal point and after decimal point. Okay, for this type of question we will do compare in different type of decimal number before decimal point and after decimal point. Then after we will take out the answer according to question. Okay, your question is which is greater. Question is 0.3 and 0.4. Question is saying in 0.3 and 0.4, in these two decimal number which is greater. So now let us we will compare between 0.3 and 0.4. In 0.3 and 0.4, as you are looking before decimal point, this is 0, and in next decimal number before decimal point, this is 0. Okay, the meaning is before decimal point numbers are equal. Before decimal point numbers are equal. Again we will compare after decimal point. After decimal point this is 3 and after decimal point this is 4. Okay, so in 3 and 4 which is greater? In 3 and 4 which is greater? Obviously 4 is greater. 4 is greater. So answer is 0.3 is less than 0.4. 0.3 is less than 0.4, or other words 0.4 is greater than 0.3. 0.4 is greater than 0.3. Your required answer is 0.4 is greater. Okay, your next question is 0.07 or 0.02. In these two decimal number which is greater? We will compare between these two decimal number. For same procedure, before decimal point this is 0, before decimal point this is 0. The meaning is before decimal points digits are same. After decimal point this is 0 and after decimal point this is 0. They will be same. After decimal point second digit, after decimal point second digit, this is 7, this is 7, and after decimal point second digit this is 2. Okay, so in 7 and 2, in 7 and 2 which is greater? You know very well 7 is greater. 7 is greater. So 0.07 is greater than 0.02. Your required answer is 0.07 is greater. Okay, your next question is 3 or 0.8. 3 or 0.8. The meaning is 3 is whole number. 3 is whole number and this is 0.8. This is decimal number. You know very well, my dear students, 3 we can write here 3.0. 3 we can write in the other form of 3.0 and this is 0.8. Okay, before decimal point this is 3 and before decimal point this is 0. So in 3 and 0 which is greater? Obviously 3 is greater. So 3 is greater than 0.8. 3 is greater than 0.8. Your required answer is 3 is greater. Okay, again 0.5 or 0.05. In these two decimal number which is greater? You know very well 0.5 we can write in the form of 0.50. Okay, 0.5 we can write in the form of 0.50, and this is 0.05. We will compare between these two decimal number. Before decimal point this is 0, and before decimal point this is 0. Before decimal points digits are equal. Okay, and after decimal point this is 5. After decimal point this is 0. Okay, my dear student, in 5 and 0, in 5 and 0, which is greater? 5 is greater. 5 is greater. So 0.50, 0.50 is greater than 0.05. 0.50 is greater than 0.05. Answer is 0.5 is greater. 0.5 is greater. Okay. Your next question is 1.23 or 1.2. Between these two decimal number, which is greater? In these two decimal number, which is greater? You know very well this is 1.23 or 1.2. 1.2 we can write in the form of 1.20. Okay, we will do compare between 1.23 and 1.20. How? Look here, my dear student. Before decimal point this is 1. Before decimal point this is 1. Before decimal points digits are same. Okay, after decimal point this is 2, and after decimal point this is 2. Okay, after decimal point first digit is equal. Again, after decimal point second digit is 3. After decimal point second digit is 3, and after decimal point second digit is 0. Okay, my dear student, in 3 and 0, which is greater? 3 is greater. In 3 and 0, which is greater? 3 is greater. So 1.23. 1.23 is greater than 1.20. 1.23 is greater than 1.20. Answer is 1.23 is greater. Okay, 1.23 is greater. 1.23 is greater. Okay, your next question is 0.099 or 0.19. In these two decimal number, which is greater? My dear student, this is 0.099 or 0.19. We can write in the form of 0.190. Okay, we will do compare between these two decimal number. Before decimal point this is 0. Before decimal point this is 0. Okay, and after decimal point this is 0. After decimal point this is 0, and after decimal point this is 1. So in 0 and 1, which is greater? 1 is greater. Obviously 0.099 is less than 0.190, or other words 0.190 is greater than 0.099. Answer is 0.19 is greater. 0.19 or 0.190 both are same. 0.19 is greater. Okay, my dear student, your next question is 1.5 or 1.50. My dear students, 1.5 or 1.50, both numbers are same. Both numbers are same. So in these two decimal number, nobody is greater. Nobody is greater. The meaning is 1.5 or 1.50, both are same, both are same. Okay. In question, next question, 1.431 or 1.490, which is greater? Let us, we will do compare between in these two decimal number. Before decimal point this is 1, before decimal point this is 1. Okay, before decimal points digits are same. After decimal point this is 4, after decimal point this is 4. After decimal point first digit is same. Again, next we will do compare after decimal point second digit. After decimal point second digit is, this is 3, and after decimal point second digit is 9. Okay, in 3 and 9, in 3 and 9, which is greater? Obviously 9 is greater, obviously 9 is greater. So 1.490 is greater than 1.431. Okay, 1.490 is greater than 1.431. So 1.490 is greater than 1.431. Okay, my dear student, your next question is 3.3 or 3.300. My dear student, these two numbers are equal. These two numbers are equal. Question is, answer is 3.3 is equal to 3.300. That's why 3.3 and 3.3 or 3.300, both number are equal. So answer is both are same. Okay. Your next question is 5.64 or 5.603. In these two decimal number, which is greater? How? Look here. Let us, we will do compare before decimal point. Before decimal point this is 5. Before decimal point this is 5. The meaning is before decimal points digits are same. Okay. And after decimal point this is 6. After decimal point this is 6. Okay. After decimal point second digit is 4. After decimal point second digit is 4, and after decimal point second digit is 0. So 4 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0. The meaning is 5.64 is greater than 5.603. 5.64 is greater than 5.603. Answer is 5.64 is greater. 5.64 is greater. Okay. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise 8.3. I hope that these solutions will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.